day you don't come again for this our entertainment news. I beg, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do well to go subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell where you dey get confirm and ogbonge gist from this our platform. This one no be them say this one na see as it dey be and hear am for yourself. My people, on today entertainment news, we want to talk about Davido shutdown wey happen for Portugal and USA. No be small thing Davido do. Even inside this wuru wey different baby mama dey come say they get belle for Davido, say why Davido go do all this kind thing. Another one go come say he get belle for Davido. People still come out, everywhere choke, everywhere full. I can't even feel say as you want to do this kind of thing, so say people no go turn up because many people don't dey bad matter and say which kind of person be, why go they give girls belle, why go they sleep with girls without condom, all those many talk. I think say people no go show up, but God shocked them. If you see crowd, hey, it was a blow. People dey for this guy. This will get fans, as in loyal fans that are not ready to take shit. They dey for am. Anyway, my people, may not to talk. I want play on the video, make una see for una self say wetin I dey talk, no be lie. Make una watch this video. So my people, as I talk am before, this one na when they perform for stage for Portugal. Una dey see crowd. Una dey see crowd like no space, like you fit choke for this kind of place. Everywhere full. Davido just they feel himself, they have a time, they sing, they dance, they flow with the crowd. Now so energy way they give, now so the people they give them back the energy. They're not dull. They're not dull for this kind of thing. Like after all this saga we don't happen, I go to say people not go full, like some seats go empty for we. My people for we everywhere choke. See people now. See people. Davido they sing, see instrumentalists that they do their job. My guy, money good though. Money good though. If you never see Davido for this life, for the take over one of the concert and you go see her. See crowd. Everybody, even the ladies, they were shouting, Davido, Davido. After I don't finish for that place, the next day I still go USA. Still go USA now. Yeah, now they don't reach, they don't land USA for here with the crew members. At the land USA, they come they pray before Davido enter stage. Because they will say for USA safe, say people do feel not come out because of all this rumor, this many talk, all the things where they don't talk about Davido. Now lie, see people. 20,000 capacity full. See now, you dey see crowd, see the up, see down, see everywhere choke. Now instrumentalists they finish work. Davido they feel their vibes. Now the dancers, oh my God, how many I go fit talk? See now they watch the video. My people, hope now don't watch the video. Now that thing upon ourselves say, no be lie, it choke. Now the one way they do for Washington. With 20,000 capacity for the arena, everywhere full. Space never dey. That one. I've not the Portugal. Anyway, my people, now this one will be for our entertainment news today. Make sure not forget to like and share this our video so that people go know what see they suck around the world though. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, make sure stay safe. Una do.